Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever wish your IRA could invest in more than just stocks and mutual funds? A self-directed IRA, or SDIRA, gives you that power. It allows you to invest in a much wider range of alternative assets, like real estate, private businesses, or even precious metals. This really opens up possibilities for your retirement savings. The very first step to setting up your SDIRA is choosing a qualified custodian. Unlike a regular IRA, you can't just manage these alternative investments on your own. The IRS requires a specialized third party to hold the assets. Look for a custodian with a solid track record, transparent fee structures, and experience with the types of investments you're interested in, ensuring they can support your unique goals. Once you have your custodian, it's time to fund your SDIRA. You can make new contributions each year, just as you would with a regular IRA, staying within the IRS limits. Another popular option is rolling over funds from an existing traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or even a 401(k) from a previous employer. Your chosen custodian will help guide you through the necessary paperwork to ensure a smooth transfer. Now for the exciting part, what can you actually invest in with your SDIRA? The possibilities are vast, far beyond typical stocks and bonds. Think real estate, which includes residential, commercial, or even raw land. You might consider private equity, private lending, or even certain types of precious metals like gold or silver. Just remember, extensive research and understanding are key for any investment you choose. While SDIRA offer incredible flexibility, there are crucial rules to follow, especially regarding prohibited transactions. These are activities the IRS forbids, like borrowing from your IRA or buying property from yourself. It's vital to avoid any personal benefit from your IRA assets until you take distributions in retirement. Always consider consulting with a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure you're making the best decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.